Hey, what's up? Can I play get in them goods? Anyways, hey y'all, I'm back. Finally, it's been like how long since I made a video? I gotta get on it. But anyways, so that means like all her stuff. Well, you'll see. But yeah, it's a Fenty review, and I'll give y'all a review on her products, how I like it and how I feel about it. Okay. Anyways, gotta start off with the eyebrows. I'll do that off camera, but yeah. Okay, so my eyebrows are done. Now let's get the Fenty. I am 470, and on the bottle it says, on the packaging, it says to shake before using. So you gotta shake really well before using. So let's shake them up, shake them up, shake them up, shake them. Okay, so I use the I don't have the primer yet, so this is what I use. Let me get it. Hold on. Okay. This. Best to use a sponge, but I rather use this brush. It's the Morphe M439 brush, and it's just easier for me to put on my foundation. I mean, I have like all these beauty blenders in here, but I'd rather use this. It's easier. So yeah, take it out. I'll do 1, 2, because I do like one side each before, because it like oxidizes really bad. I mean, not really bad, but it oxidizes, so I'd rather do one side and do the other side. Y'all. Rihanna, girl, who told you to be girl? I'm looking in my mirror. If y'all see me looking that way, it's my vanity mirror. It's easy for me to see. Okay. I know y'all. If y'all know, being my skin tone, it is so hard trying to find something that like matches us. Like, not us, I mean, yeah, us chocolate ones. It's always hard. Hold on, let me fix this. It's always hard to find something that's like legit your color. And Rihanna came through. I know I'm late with this review and all, but sis did this. Like, I just put my mama on to some Fenty, like, and she in love with it, because she not like dark skin like me, but she caramel. She light skin, caramel light skin, but she got her tone and she's like in love with the whole foundation. But I'm honestly like saying, like, I'm sorry I'm moving around a lot, but I'm just doing too much right now. But listen, redid this foundation. Like, it don't even like it stays on your face, G. Like it's just like the best foundation I ever had. Like, I had the Estee Lauder, whatever it's called, and it was like the very last shade, but it still kind of made me like, not like, it was like my color, but it wasn't my color. You feel me? Like, it was, she's just great. Just great. Okay, so ignore the whole light changes. The sun want to act up for some reason, but I'm done with my whole face. Your face. And I'm done with my whole face. So now I got her lipstick. I don't know the name of it. What is it? What? Gloss Bomb. So yeah, time to apply to these lips. Yeah. I got small lips, so I can just use one. Like one like dip. I ain't got big lips, so this is fine. Like, you know how some you gotta dip back in. I got small lips, so. Okay. So that's that. When I first saw this, the first thing you see, it's like sparkles. Like, there's like glitter in here. Like, she, sis, she did this. She did it. Wait, where you see it? Fenty. Robin Fenty. Girl, come through. And brush I'm using is the Morphe N439. I mean, N438. This brush I'm using to put on my highlight. With this being gold, sis, don't be in it. Don't. Just tap. Yes, I said I was recording.
Food is ready.
Okay. Tap tap. Dip dip. Tap tap. Feel me now? I got too much. Hold on. Dip dip. Okay. You see that? Now the other side. See, now my over here getting too happy over here. Getting too much. And your highlight sits, look. I'm gonna say this is my last time I'm gonna say this. Oh, well, y'all, it's your first time hearing it. Your highlight goes right here and down, not right here and down. Sis, I'm tired of seeing your highlights stopping right there. That's not okay. It's not okay. It goes right here to here, and that's it. I shouldn't be able to see your highlight when I'm looking directly in your face. I should see it to the side. When I look to your side, that's where I should see your highlight. Can you see my highlight? No. Can you see it? Yes. That's how it's supposed to be. I'm tired of seeing that all over Twitter, Snapchat, Facebook, whatever you get on. I'm tired of seeing it. Like, just stop it. I'm tired. Tired. Put it right there, of course. My nose. Wait, I'm gonna use my finger because the brush don't get my nose how I want to. Bam. 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 And then get my forehead, of course. Woo. Taking the Morphe E41 brush and fix that, blend it all out so it won't look too harsh. Only on my forehead because obviously I need this to look right. But yeah, fixing that. Ooh, fine. Nope. The Hustle Baby and the Kilowatt and put it on my brow bone to get it popping. And I'm using a Morphe 506 brush. Yup. I freaking love Rihanna. Like, look. There should be no way. No way. No way. And I'm taking again, put in my inner. Blend out with your fingers, because that's how it goes. Fingers is always the best thing.